Hello guys, my name is Michael and welcome to a new GTK tutorial. Today we are going to move on and we are going to learn a new widget. The widget, you already see it, it is called GTK Toolbar, and the GTK Toolbar, it is nothing more than creates bars of buttons and of course other widgets as well. Its description says a toolbar is created with a call to GTK Toolbar New, of course. A toolbar can contain instances of a subclass of GTK tool item. To add a GTK tool item to the toolbar, use GTK Toolbar Insert. We'll see about that as well. To remove an item from the toolbar, use GTK container remove. Okay, so to add a button to the toolbar, add an instance of GTK tool button. We will see how it works. And toolbar item can be visually grouped by adding instances of GTK separator tool item to the toolbar and so on. Okay, so the whole documentation, I will let you for yourself to read it yourself. The CSS nodes, we have only one, it is called GTK Toolbar, and then we can proceed with information. So at the top we have its description, object hierarchy. As you can see, it is derived from GTK container. We have implemented interfaces like you see here ATK implementer, sorry, iFace, or the GTK buildable, GTK tool shell, and GTK orientable. And then we have properties, not to match, only 4, but we have also child properties, expand, and we'll see about those child properties, style properties as well. We are not going to work with them because we use CSS. And we have also signals, and we are going to check the signals as well. So that being said, let's get started. What do we have now? Here I have a window and I have a box. I created a box. You should probably first check the GTK window playlist and GTK box playlist for more information. And now, because we have it, if I compile it and run it, you won't see nothing because we have nothing included in that box, just the window. And now let's proceed to create our toolbar. So GTK widget toolbar, I'm going to call it, of course. And now here we are going to say toolbar, and we are going to point it to the first function, which is called GTK Toolbar New. Now, as you can see, it says it takes nothing, so it has no how you say it has no arguments or parameter, which means we need to insert some information with it. And for this, the first thing which we are going to do, we are going, of course, to insert the toolbar inside our container, which is the box. In this case, GTK container add GTK container, even, you know what, I'm going to call GTK box pack, I'm going to say start, whatever. Okay, not new, box pack start, GTK box, I'm going to put inside the box now I press this button. Okay, box. The next one, it will be the child, in this case is the toolbar. The next one will be expanding, so I'm going to set them all to false. So false, expand and fill also false, and the last one, let's say 5 padding, and it's done. Let me compile it and run it. At this point you still don't see nothing because we need some information to put inside this toolbar. For this, I'm going to create a tool item like the documentation said in its description, where was like here, to add the GTK tool item to a toolbar, use this one. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I'm going to say GTK tool item, not too many item. And here was, I'm going to say item 1, whatever. Okay, now let us create it. Basically we need to create the tool item now, so item 1, or tool item better, tool item. Okay, now tool item, and here we are going to create it with the help of GTK tool button. About the GTK tool button, I'm going to make another widget playlist. Here we need some information, and I'm going to say icon. You will see in a second. And the label which we are going to say, let me see which icon we are going to use. So const gchar const, I'm going to put an image, GTK image new from icon, new from icon name, and the icon name I'm going to say computer, and GTK icon size button will be used. And now, because we have okay, GTK constant gchar constant icon, and now because we have the icon, I'm going to call it also computer. Now because we call the GTK tool button new, and we basically create the tool item which we needed. The next thing which we need to insert it, because this is basically what the description said. For this, use GTK Toolbar Insert. So this is the next function which I'm going to call. It is a function which takes 3 parameters. The first one, it is the toolbar, the second one is the item, and the next one is the position. So I'm going to work with this one. Let's see if it's working. So like it says, the first one should be the toolbar, so GTK toolbar, our toolbar. The next one will be the item, which is the tool item, and the position 0 because it is the first one. Now let me compile it and run it and see what happens. If we have some errors, we do have. Let's see. It says inner of constants are from continuous pointer. The first one. Let's see. Expect take the GTK widget. Okay. Okay. This is. I think I thought that the GTK image new from icon name. I was wrong. It is a widget. Okay, so tool button new basically expects also a widget. Sorry, my bad, guys. Okay, so GTK widget icon. Now should be fine. Now let's see. Yes, we have a button, but we have no yes because of the big letter C, I think. Yes, we have a computer. So as you can see, everything works fine, and we basically create our first item for our toolbar, and as you can see, it works fine. I'm going to stop now with this video, and I'm going to move on with the next one. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.